enjoyed ourselves immensely with family and friends in Yuma, Arizona. All right, all of our friends are telling us bye. See y'all in the fall. Yep, y'all, we're pulling out of Winter Haven, California. What's this place called here?
Felicity.
Felicity, California. Sorry, we're close to Winter Haven, but it was nice camping here. We had a blast, and now we're headed east. We had a nice camp out here. About 12 rigs or so. Christy and Matt left earlier, and they went to dump. Ha-ha, we don't have to worry about that because we've got an O-Go. So we're meeting them up here, getting on Highway 8.
Hey, we can make it to that Love's. It's only 30 more miles.
Shit.
Okay, we'll try for it. Sharon tells me she got a stop. I guess I'll find an exit somewhere. Okay, we'll try that.
Behind you, go ahead and go in front of me.
We made it to our camp spot. We are not in a marked area. There are some marked areas. And our stay here can be for 14 days, no cost. We had dinner tonight at the Copper Brothel Brewery. And you see that sign back there? It says, I'd tap that. So all of their beers have names from women, of course, that you would meet in a brothel. It's pretty sweet. Oh, look at those. And the bar is pretty nice also. That's a nice looking bar. Very nice. It's a very gorgeous place. Once the cold weather passed, the nastiness yesterday, it sleeted, it hailed, it rained. It was just nasty. But we got blue skies today. The kids are next door to us here. nice free area here at Empire Ranch. You can stay for 14 days. Very nice. Look at that golden grass. Mountains all around. Yep. Yep, there's another couple over there. It's so pretty. Love it.